Hey there, adventurers. Today I'm back at LEGOLAND Florida since today is the first day of LEGOLAND Brick or Treat Monster event, where today I'm going to be showcasing everything you can do at the event, as well as check out some of the shows, maybe meet some characters, and see the drone show. So with that being said, let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. It has been a while since I've been back to LEGOLAND, and I am so glad to be back. Now it's time to check out Brick or Treats. Now it is time to check out Brick or Treats, since honestly this is a fun Halloween event now through November 2nd, where there's going to be tons of Halloween things to do on select weekends, where you get to trick or treat. There's all sorts of LEGO characters. You can dress up in costumes. There's also multiple shows, including the Monster Skytacular drone show that I am so excited for, since last year when it comes to Brick or Treat, I had such an amazing time, and I cannot wait for tonight. It's time to check out the first area, which is going to be the Jamming Jack section, where from dusk to park close every 15 minutes on select dates. There's a new late show with all sorts of music and stuff happening. It's cool. Next thing is going to be the Monster Party Carousel. Here at Monster Party Carousel, this is a carousel ride with a Monster Party twist with popular Halloween tunes where you can sing along to. Nearby Heart Lake City, there is another candy trick-or-treat stop, but now it's time for a private event for media. Ooh, this is interesting. You can build a Lego spider, where you can build right here, and at the end, you can then put it on this spider web. How cool is that? Now here at LEGOLAND, there's a multitude of food items for the Brick or Treat event, like the Red Moon Burger, Trick or Torta, Jack of Bites, Franken Fries, Pumpkin Potion Shake, Sunday de los Muertos, and the Candy Corn Cooler. Right now, we just got out of a media event where we got to see a Lego werewolf, along with the announcement of the official name for LEGOLAND's brand new indoor coaster, Galactic Coaster. And I am so excited for that. It is basically a space-themed family coaster that is debuting early 2026. Anyways, let's talk about the next area, which is going to be Duplo Valley. In here, this is going to be home to Time to Learn About Halloween, a show where you join schoolhouse teachers as they celebrate all things Halloween. This is for guests ages 2 to 6, where this show is a fun lesson in everything the fall season has to offer. This show is going to be happening multiple times per day, and if you have younger ones ages 2 to 6, then I definitely recommend this show. Throughout the Halloween season, there's also going to be the Scarecrow Super Brick build from 11 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., where you help scare the crows out of the pumpkin patch by building a giant Lego Scarecrow here. I will say, I really like seeing all the Halloween decorations, especially seeing all the pumpkins out. So cool seeing that. Then there is Candy Station number 2, along with a candy corn scavenger hunt from 12 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. At Duplo Valley, this is also where the Lego Scarecrow will meet guests, and maybe later on we'll have to meet him. When it comes to this candy corn scavenger hunt, this is where you have to find the hidden candy corn hidden throughout Duplo Valley, and eventually all you need to do is note how many candy corn you found, name, how many children's you're in a party, email, and then at the end, you'll have to enter this, where you can enter into raffles for a chance to win a Lego prize pack. So how cool is that? Next up is going to be Creatures of the Kingdom, where here is going to be home to Lego Dracula. And this is his kingdom pretty much, where here there's all sorts of cobwebs and all sorts of spooky stuff in here. Oh my goodness. There's this whole Lego hearse here. That is really amazing. Wow. When it comes to building this whole vampire hearse, this took over 280,000 Lego bricks and 2,400 hours of build. This is really impressive. Especially the skeleton side too. Wow. There's also another candy station from 2 to 7 where you can get candy here. And there's also a meet and greet with Lego Spider Lady. For the next show today, for our first show, it is going to be the VIM dance party at Lego Kingdom Stage. This happens multiple times per day, where Lord Vampire is hosting the coolest, most exclusive dance party, only for the very important monsters, and you are invited. With that being said, let's go ahead and check it out.
Jump up and down! Before we finish this party, I've invited a special brick or treat friend to dance along with us. Let's make some noise! Clap your hands! Strike a pose!
Next up is going to be Curse of the Pharaoh, where I am now here at this land, and it is all themed right now, where there is some mummy wrappings on the trees, especially above too. Outside there's also another brick or treat candy stop right here. Now past the mummy area, past the Pharaoh area, there is some ghosts here. Oh man, R.I.P. Jester Funny Bones. And along Coastersaurus, there is some more ghosts all throughout. If you thought that was the end, there's also Wicked Sweet Way. If anything, there is the candy station. There's also an area where you can meet Lego Plant Monster here. If anything, this is going to be home to Zombie Cheer Crew, where you get to see a cheerleader crew with a zombie cheerleader as they play all sorts of music here, as you and your younger ones can get to dance. And this is a very exciting show.
Hello, everyone! Welcome to the Zombie University Pep Rally. I'm the head coach, Alana. Me and the squad are here to knock you dead dirt. But now that the crew's over, it's time to get down to business. In order to make the cheer crew, we need to pass every single round of tryouts. Swing it side to side. The zombie shake and scream again.
Monster, I'm a monster, I'm a monster, I'm a monster.
So it's a silly monster.
You, I've been talking to you. Okay, hey, hey.
Just got out of the Zombie Cheer Crew show, and I gotta say, it is still a fun show for kids. I kind of prefer the location last year. Now when it comes to other shows, there's also going to be the Jam Out with Lego Monster Rocker at Heart Lake Hall. This is a dance party with Lego Monster Rocker where you can meet him and see his show. There's also going to be the Great Monster Chase, which is at the Lego Fun Town Theater. It's a 4D show. I think the plan is right now to meet a Lego mummy, and that's actually going to be at the Pharaoh's area. So let's head back there and maybe even check out a Lego mummy. Hello! Happy Halloween! So great seeing you!
Mommy says it's awesome seeing you too.
Yeah! Is it okay if I get a picture of you?
Yeah, you got some good poses, Mommy?
Alright then. Hello! Hope you're having a great day. Is it okay if I get a picture with you?
Yeah, of course.
Alright then. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I want to first check out Lego's coolest area, which is Mini City. And here, there's all sorts of recreations of cities like New York, where you get to see all of this, especially with the buildings. There's also the Coast Cruise. During Halloween, there's all sorts of pumpkins, especially at the Hollywood Bowl. Oh my goodness, and for Halloween, there's also a Headless Horseman There's some pumpkins. That is so cool. And I think now it is time that we head over to the drone show. And I am so excited because this is a drone show with all sorts of monstrous music and even fireworks, as it's a perfect finale here at Legoland. And now it is time that we head over to the theater to watch the drone show for tonight. So let's go ahead and see the drone show.
This is no vampire speaking. It has been another wonderful brick or treat. Great! Engage the robots. Hit the tunes. Was waiting for my invitation to arrive. This monster party up to the sky. The energy's igniting up above the street. It's a monster party. Who could ask for more? Fight the drugs! A keyboard! You got it! That's the saxophone! That totally rocked! Give yourselves a round of applause!
Finally, my broom's working! Woohoo! Look at me go! Wait! That's not candy! That's my cat! You get back here right now! So let's all dance until we drop. A monster party is the perfect party. Right here, right now, so we got.
Thank you for joining us. Now enjoy your candy and party on, monster friends. Happy birthday treat! Have a brick-tastic night, and thank you for joining us here at Legoland Florida Resort.
And now that is a wrap of, and we just got out from the drone show. I gotta say, that drone show is one of the best drone shows. The drones are absolutely incredible. I love the music, and the fireworks are a nice touch, as it's a great way to end night here at Legoland. And now let's head out of here. And that is going to be a wrap on our adventure here at Legoland Florida for Brick or Treat. Huge thanks to Katie Antosh and for Legoland for inviting us out. I had such an amazing time today, where there was trick-or-treating. I loved the drone show tonight, and we even got to see some of the shows and meet some characters, along with hearing the announcement of the brand new family coaster that I am so excited for. Honestly, I think this is a fun event for younger ones and families. I wouldn't say this is something for everyone particularly, because Legoland is mostly for families. Though Legoland Florida has one of the best Halloween events, and that is Brick or Treat. And it's also included with your admission on select weekends too. But now, it is over to you. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you planning on visiting Legoland Florida for Brick or Treat? I would love to hear. As of now, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, adventurers.